It's just extraordinary.
And that will mean as well, will 30 gold medals they've reached if Na can go on with it. But they might notch up the 30 here because they have 3 finalists in this event.
Yes, and this is the final of the women's 800 meters T54. The strongest and fastest racers, the 6 times Paralympic Games champion, 11 times world champion and reigning title holder Tatyana McFadden goes in this. But China are well represented. First of their 3 entrants in the final, Yingjie, 1 gold in the 4x4. It's her first major championship, bronze in the 1. The reigning world champion in the 800, the 5 and the 4x4, and she won the 4x4 here as well for China, ZOU Lihong. Former European champion, 4 gold medals in Swansea in 2014. For Switzerland, it's Manuela. From the United States, silver in the 15, bronze in the 5. Thanks to Tatyana McFadden. For the USA, Amanda McGrory, and she's the former world champion from 2011. Gold in the 1 and the 4x4 here for China. The 1, the 4 and the 4x4 in Doha, LIU Wenjun. Here's Tatyana McFadden. Gold so far in the 4, the 15 and the 5. Silver in the 1. The 6-time world champion from Lyon. She won 3 golds in London and she's done the same here. Tatyana McFadden aiming for a 4th. From the Netherlands, 8th in the 100 meters, bronze in the 4 and the 8 at the World Championships last year. It's Margriet van den Broek. And on the inside in lane 1 for Canada, the former Commonwealth Games 1500 meters champion. 6 of the 1500 meters final here, and the former marathon world champion. It's Diane Roy. SCHAER in 6 for Switzerland, but McFadden the one they all have to beat. Well, McFadden leading home. An American clean sweep in the 1500 meters and the 5. Can't do that here, but she does have Amanda McGrory for company. China are the ones with the best chance of the teamwork. They're all in red. LIU Wenjun on the outside, Li Yingli moving in. ZOU Lihong as well. Manuela is the other one in red. But who's that out in front straight away? Don't need to tell you. It's Tatyana McFadden who's shooting away. China's 3 trying to gang up on it. On the inside for Switzerland is Manuela. There's going to be a lot of close marking here on McFadden. Where McGrory ends up at the moment, she's very much on her own for the United States. But she's still not in a bad position, currently in 5th place. It's Tatyana McFadden. Little look up at the big screen just to see where everyone else is. Then the rest of the Chinese behind. That's ZOU Lihong, who's in 3rd place, and in 2nd it's ZOU as they hit the bell. So it's USA, China, Switzerland, China, and the United States in 6th place. But currently in 2nd it's LIU Wenjun, and in 3rd ZOU Lihong, SCHAER in 4, McFadden leading them out, just as you knew she would do. Looking to win from gun to tape. And she's not doing a bad job. Just look at the way they're trying to make a maneuver behind her. Manuela trying to move up on the far side. All those red around, but it's the Swiss red of SCHAER who's trying to do it the hardest over on the lane 2, but it's still McFadden leading them out. LIU and ZOU up there behind her. It's the final bend. It's Tatyana McFadden for the United States. 3 gold medals in London, aiming for a 4th here, and she's going to do it surely now. They won't catch her. McGrory's trying to get up into 3rd place, but Tatyana McFadden wins her 4th gold medal in Rio. Looks like it was LIU in 2nd place, and McGrory might just have sneaked a photo in 3rd for the United States. The Paralympic record is gone, 144.73. Gold in the 4, the 15, the 5, and now the 800 meters for Tatyana McFadden. She's largely been unbeatable in this competition, apart from the 100 meters. And it is China, silver and bronze. LIU with the silver, Li with the bronze, and McGrory missed out by 100th of a second, despite a lifetime best. Paralympic record McFadden, Asian record for LIU, Li in 3rd PB, McGrory PB in 4th, and SCHAER thought she might have had a better finish in it, but not quite. She was in 5th place. McGrory there, working hard to get on the outside. Everybody working hard to turn over McFadden. They tried, they failed again.
Yes, China throwing everything they possibly could, throwing everything bar the kitchen sink at McFadden to try and topple her, but they couldn't. And it's been a long campaign for McFadden, but hasn't it been an extraordinary ride for her? And it's not over, because she will contest the T54 Women's Marathon tomorrow. That starts at around 12:30 Rio time against 13 others. So durable as well, but so brilliant. And there is Team China, not this time. They came left, right and centre. Hasn't McGrory performed so well at these Rio Games as well? But one more time, let's ride with Tatyana McFadden.
Well, McGrory, an excellent athlete in her own right, but she couldn't have the same help from McFadden this time. And China put their entire team on her, but McFadden is a very effective team of one. It's her 4th Paralympic gold here. Not quite a clean sweep, disqualified from the 4x4, and there was silver in the 1. And she goes in the marathon tomorrow in her bid for a 5th gold medal. It's really impressive. A 7th Paralympic gold of her career.